Hi, hello. Welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we move to discuss about a famous scientist, Carolus Linnaeus. His life period was 1707 to 1778. Carolus Linnaeus was born in Sweden and was a doctor by profession. He was interested in the study of plants. At the age of 22, he published his first paper on plants. While serving as a personal physician of a wealthy government official, he studied the diversity of plants in his employed garden. Later, he published 14 papers and also brought out the famous book System on Nature, from which all fundamental taxonomical researchers have taken up. His system of classification was a simple scheme for arranging plants so as to be able to identify them again. Okay.